You're eating clean, you're hitting the gym. You've cut out sugar, you're tracking your calories. But the scale still hasn't budged. Does that sound like you? Here's a real question. Could you be doing everything right and still be doing it wrong? In today's video, we'll be breaking down 10 surprising reasons why your weight loss might be stuck, and most people have no idea these are even a thing. Stick around till the end because we're not just pointing out the problems, we're giving you real solutions that actually work. Let's go. Number 1. Chronic stress and cortisol. Stress is a silent fat loss killer. When you're constantly stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that tells your body to hold onto fat, especially around your belly. Incorporate 10 to 15 minutes of daily stress relief like deep breathing, yoga, nature walks, or journaling. And most importantly, sleep well. Recovery matters. Number 2. Sleep deprivation. Lack of sleep messes with your hormones ghrelin and leptin, which control hunger and fullness. Less sleep equals more cravings and less energy to work out. So be sure to prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Set a bedtime alarm if you need to. Your body burns fat best when it's well rested. Number 3. Overestimating calories burned. Here's a tough truth. Most fitness trackers overestimate calories burned by 20 to 40%. That reward meal after your workout might be canceling out all your progress. Track your food honestly, but don't reward exercise with food. Focus on consistency over compensation. Number 4. Liquid calories. That green smoothie? That caramel oat milk latte? Even protein shakes? They can hide hundreds of calories without filling you up. Stick to water, black coffee, herbal teas, or make your own low-calorie drinks. Always read the labels. Number 5. Healthy but high-calorie foods. Foods like nuts, avocado, and granola are nutrient-dense, but they're also calorie bombs. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter? That's 100 to 120 calories alone. Use a food scale to portion high-calorie foods. Healthy doesn't always mean weight loss friendly. Number 6. Gut health and balance. Your gut controls digestion, inflammation, and metabolism. An unhealthy gut can mean slow fat loss. Even with a perfect diet, add probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, or kimchi. Cut back on processed foods and try eating more fiber-rich whole foods like greens, oats, and fruits. Number 7. Hormonal issues, PCOS, thyroid, and more. Sometimes it's not your fault. Conditions like PCOS, hypothyroidism, or insulin resistance make weight loss hard even when doing everything right. If you suspect something's off, see your doctor, get blood work done. You may need medical support or a custom plan that works with your hormones. Number 8. Not drinking enough water. Even slight dehydration can make you feel hungrier and tired, leading to unnecessary snacking. Drink a glass of water before every meal. Aim for at least 8 cups of water a day, or more if you're active. Number 9. Being in a constant caloric deficit without breaks. Being in a calorie deficit too long can slow your metabolism. Your body adapts to survive. Try a diet break every few weeks. Eat at maintenance for 1 to 2 weeks, then go back into a deficit. This can reset hormones and boost fat loss again. Lastly, number 10. Artificial sweeteners. Some research shows artificial sweeteners may increase cravings, insulin response, and even mess with gut bacteria. Use them in moderation. Consider natural alternatives like stevia or monk fruit, or try weaning off sweeteners entirely. Now, let's recap. You're not broken, you're not lazy, and you're not alone. These 10 hidden reasons could be why the scale isn't moving, and now you've got the tools to change that. Whether it's your sleep, your stress, your gut, or just those sneaky high-calorie foods, you're now 10 steps closer to results. Hit that like button if this helped you. Subscribe to Whole Life Health and Fitness for weekly videos to transform your mind, body, and habits. Drop a comment below which of these surprised you the most. Don't forget to share this with a friend who needs to see it. Oh, and if you're ready to dive deeper, check out our previous video on why you don't need cardio to lose fat. Here's why. It might just blow your mind. Stay strong, stay consistent, and we'll see you in the next one.